are gonna go on videos and click on the first option. The interface you will see will be like this. Just go on elements. I would like a city background with a person walking across the street. So I will go on city background. I like this background, so I will click on it. Let me expand it. Now I want a person walking, so I will search here person. Examples, but I choose this one. Let me decrease the size and walking on the sidewalk. Now it's just walking on the place it is. So to make it walk across the slide, we will click on the element and go on animate. Then we'll click on create animation. Drag it to where you want it to go. It still looks a little rough and it's stopping in many places, so I will make its movement style too smooth. Now you can see it's going smoothly without stopping at most places. Now the speed is, I also think the speed is also good, but you could increase the speed according to your creativity or project. Now I will just click on done. Basic animation has been completed. You can create anything. You could even change the background, use any other element. But these are the basics of how to animate it or how to move your elements. So, thank you for watching this video and let's see you next time.